The best way to pick up fall yard leaves. Once a large amount of leaves are on the ground in the fall, they can become an unsightly nuisance. In addition, leaves that remain on the ground can pose any number of problems which could damage a lawn. Raking. Raking leaves not only keeps a yard leaf-free but has the added benefit of providing plenty of exercise. In addition to being cost-efficient, raking also does not contribute to noise pollution, as mowers, vacuums and shredders can. Composting. Once leaves are raked into piles, they can be placed into compost piles and allowed to decompose in an out-of-the-way area. If this isn't possible because of restrictions in the yard, a local pickup company can take leaves to a local composting site. Many areas no longer allow yard waste to go to regular landfills. Considerations. You can make small composting sites by placing leaves in garbage bags and then adding water to the leaves and allowing them to decompose. However, make sure to leave a large opening at the top of the bag to allow air to circulate.